Today we are gonna have a look at the best diet for a fatty liver. When people hear the word diet, they think that their food will have to be unflavorful and consist only of vegetables. They think they will never again be able to indulge in holiday treats. You'll be happy to know that a diet for a fatty liver doesn't mean boring food. You will just need to learn to choose healthier alternatives and cook them in healthier ways. Do this for a lifetime, and inculcate this habit in your family as well, and you will see how enriched a life you can have. Do not be under the impression that all diets are bland and tasteless. In fact, if you get the right recipes, you will find that fatty liver diets can be delicious too, just as junk food meals can be. You may have to cut down on things like fried chicken and roast beef, but if you learn to cook more creatively, you will find that healthy is also tasty. And there are tons of great recipes to be found online. You need to stick to your diet plan, even if it's very difficult at the beginning. Within time, you will realize that it's becoming much easier to stick to the plan, and it won't be as much of a struggle for you. You're not only eating healthier, but you will also be prolonging your lifespan. You'll be overall in much better health, and you'll be losing excess weight as you go. Your new diet plan will restrict your intake of sweets. You need to cut simple carbohydrates from your diet. These are found mainly in sweet foods. But if you have a sweet tooth, there are some healthy alternatives. You can try eating some fruits, or if that doesn't do it for you, there are some healthy food candy shops. These are geared towards people with diabetes, and are generally much better for you. Having a healthy diet is important in order to lose weight, and it will prove to be extremely beneficial to your health. If you want to avoid other complications with your liver, you need to be strict with your diet. Controlling your diet is the key to your health. Are you interested in knowing more about healthy living and dieting? Then check out the links in the description.